welcome back to my channel, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome. So thank you for clicking on this video. It's going to be a very quick and easy how to do knotless braids video. Not long at all. Just get in, get out, do what you need to do, style their hair like you need to style it, and I hope that my instructions are clear.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and go ahead while you're at it, click that bell so whenever I post, you already got the info.
So y'all just stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so start to braid the hair at the base without using any braiding hair. This will create your knotless look. If you started out with the hair, you will not have the knotless look. So once you braid it down a little bit, you're going to add some additional hair. Place that hair in between your thumb and your index finger. Move that piece of hair out the way. Braid down again, and grab the hair. Let's see that again. So we're going to grab another piece of hair, put it in between your thumb and your index finger, push the hair out the way, braid again. It's a little kinks, but we can easily get that out, no worries. So once you've got the kink out, add it to the rest of the hair and be prepared to grab some more hair. All right, grab the hair again, place the hair in between your thumb and your index finger. Move the hair out the way, braid, get a little kink, there go another one, braid again, and add to the rest of the hair. Now, this is how I do it. You guys may do it another way, but this is the best way that I can do it and the best way that I can explain it. So this way gives it the knotless look, and it also creates the thickness going down the shaft of the braid once you continue to braid down. You may have to do this process again once reaching the end of the hair, but you will know when you need to add hair to the braid. So just to show you guys again, I'm starting with braiding the hair without using any type of braiding hair. Just want to simply keep adding the hair, braiding, adding it back to the hair, adding more hair, moving it out the way, braiding. It's just a continuous cycle. Once you get in the groove of doing it a few times, you'll get it. I promise you.
I saw how you braided on down, moved it out the way, added to it, grab some more hair, braid it down, moved it out the way, add some more to it, braid it down, moved it out the way. I saw all of that. You did good, honey, yes.
Now you need to figure out if your client wants their ends to be straight, curly, or have a crinkle to it. So I did the crinkle this time. That's what she wanted. So what you're going to do is just braid the hair down, dip it in some hot water, unravel the braid, and bam, she got crinkled hair at the end. If your client wants curls at the end, just simply take some rollers or a rod, curl the ends, dip it in hot water, bam, she got curls. Now she just want to be plain, just dip the hair in some hot water, make sure you take the towel around it and just make sure you smooth it out, and bam, she got straight ends on her braid. Yes, girl, we are finally done with these knotless braids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And until then, guys, be blessed.